Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Base of Education Mantra. So today we will discuss some most important MCQ questions of class 9th history. We will start from the chapter number first. Chapter number first is the French Revolution. So let's start from question number 1. Who said the task of representing the people has been given to the rich? इसमें ऑप्शन नंबर बी करेक्ट आंसर है. So move on to the next question. The National Assembly framed a constitution in 1791 to limit the powers of the monarch. इसमें ऑप्शन नंबर ए आपका करेक्ट आंसर है. So move on to the next question. Who wrote an influential pamphlet, What is the Third Estate? Option number B is correct answer in this. Which group of people didn't join the Jacobin Club? इसमें आपका ऑप्शन नंबर डी करेक्ट आंसर है. मैन विद प्रॉपर्टी जो ग्रुप था उन्होंने जैकोबिन क्लब को ज्वाइन नहीं किया था. सो मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फ्रेंच वुमेन डिमांडेड द राइट. फ्रेंच वुमेन जो थी वो कौन से राइट की डिमांड कर रही थी? वो इन सभी राइट की डिमांड कर रही थी फ्रेंड्स, जो यहाँ पे लिखे हुए हैं. सो ऑल ऑफ द अबव, यानी डी पार्ट इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. सो मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A triangular slave trade took place between Europe, the Americas, and Africa, Asia, Australia, none of the above. So option number A is correct answer in this, Africa. So move on to the next question. Upon becoming free, the slave wore red cap is correct answer in this. Who were not considered passive citizens? Wealthy people is correct answer in this. The third estate comprised, option number D is correct answer in this question. So move on to the next question. Which of the following decisions was taken by the convention? Option number D is correct answer in this. Declared France a republic. How does a subsistence crisis happen? Option number D is correct answer in this, all of the above. So move on to the next question. Which of the following statements is untrue about the third estate? आपको ये बताना है कि अनट्रू स्टेटमेंट कौन सी है थर्ड एस्टेट के बारे में इन सब में से. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज़ करेक्ट आंसर इन दिस. मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अ गिलेटिन was, option number A is correct answer in this, a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which a person was beheaded. The word livres stands for unit of currency in France. Option number A is correct answer in this. So move on to the next question. What was the substance crisis which occurred frequently in France? Option number A is correct answer in this. You can see options on the screen. Yeah. So move on to the next question. What was Estates Journal? A political body. Option number B is correct answer in this. So move on to the next question, friends. The term old ramage is usually used to describe. Option number C, Society and Institutes of France before 1789 AD is correct answer in this. So move on to the next question. Which of these books was written by John Locke? John Locke ने कौन सी बुक लिखी थी? Do you know it? Option number B is correct answer in this. So now move on to the next question. In the meeting of Estates Journal, the members of the third estate demanded that, option number A is correct answer in this, all the three estates should have one vote altogether. So move on to the next question. Who led the representatives of the third estate in on 20th June? Option number D is correct answer in this, both A and B. Okay, so move on to the next question. Which of these provisions were passed by the assembly on the night of 4th August 1789. Option number D is correct answer in this, all of the above. Uh, so move on to the next question. According to the new constitution of 1791, the National Assembly was to be elected indirectly. Option number C is correct answer. So move on. Which of these rights were not established as natural and inalienable rights by the Constitution of 1791? Option number D is correct answer of this question, all of the above. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. If you like this video, please like and share the video and subscribe our channel also. And stay tuned on our channel guys to get more such videos.